Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Henrietta, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my starter locks. If you've been following this channel closely, you would know that I locked my hair, and if you're still wondering why, what led to me locking my hair and all of that, I would link the video up so you can just go watch it and just understand the reason why I locked my hair. But anyways, on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my locks. So I've had my locks for 1 week now, and I'm just going to just like give like a 1 week lock update. But it's been like the experience so far, and what I've learned or what I've noticed with my hair. And while I'm moisturizing my hair, I will just talk you guys through the process and also the products that I'll be using. So for locks you don't need like tons of products, and that's like one of the things that I've been trying to adjust to the past 1 week. Before, when I had my free form hair, I would use lots of products. You want to use moisturizing products, styling products, curling creams, all of that moisturizing stuff. But with locks you don't need all of that, because that would just like sit in your hair and just cause like very ugly buildup, and you don't want that. So it's I have watched a lot of videos, because I've been locked just 1 week obviously, so I've watched a lot of videos, and everyone is saying don't put products on your hair, just stick to liquids and oils. And that's what I'm going to be moisturizing my hair with, and that's what I'm going to show you guys on this video. So for my liquid, I would be using rose water. This is not water, this is rose water. And there's a funny reason as to why it's in this bottle, but I'll just save that story. But this is rose water, I promise you. This is not water, this is rose water here. And I'm just going to put it in my spray bottle. I'm sorry, I seem very distracted because there's like this noise that I keep hearing from my neighbor's house, so it's like really distracting me, because I know that you guys are going to hear in the video, and it's just annoying, but I can't help it. So I have rose water here. I'm not going to use everything. I'm just going to use the little one that I need today. So that's like half of this. So my rose water is here, and I'm going to be using these two oils, and I'm going to explain. So this oil is like a mix of oils that I put together. It's like a DIY oil mix. If you want me to show you guys how I did this, you can just let me know in the comment section, so that I can make a video showing you guys how I do the oil mix. But this is just oils. I have in here castor oil, I have in here vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, just like a combination of all the oils that I love. But let me know if you want me to show you guys how I did it. So you can use this on your locks, on your natural free form natural hair. Anybody can use this oil pretty much. This is the Ayurvedic hair and scalp care oil, and this oil is from my brand Afrolicious_NG on Instagram. I'll tag the handle. We sell oils, Ayurvedic butters, butters for your hair, for your skin, soap, Ayurvedic powders for your hair, or you want to make an infused oil. Just check us out, we have so many amazing things. So I'll be using this oil for my scalp. This oil really helps with itchy scalp. It helps to relieve itchy scalp. It helps with dandruff. It pretty much just helps to keep your scalp healthy. It also helps your hair grow, because it's been infused with a lot of amazing ingredients. So this is like my all-time go-to favorite scalp oil. So this is what I'll be using for my scalp, and this I'll be using for the length of my hair, since I can't use like leave-in conditioners and all of that. And then the rose water. So let me just quickly show you guys how I moisturize it. So I have been locked for 1 week now, and I don't think I miss my hair yet, like my free form hair, because I got to that point where I was really frustrated with my hair, because of a lot of reasons. If you watch the video, you would understand why, and that was like part of the reasons why I locked my hair. So far with locked hair, I have been able to focus on doing a lot, like doing other things, because with my free hair I just spent a lot of time doing my hair, and it just felt like I wasn't having time for any other thing. But with my locked hair, since I don't have to spend a lot of time, my lighting is bad and I don't like it. So I was saying, since I don't have to spend a lot of time with my doing my hair, styling my hair, detangling my hair, so I feel like I've been able to do like focus, do other things, and you know, I don't even know what I'm saying. But anyways, this is what my hair looks like 1 week locked. You can see there's a lot of frizziness here, and I really don't mind it. You know, I've just learned to just leave my hair alone and just let it do its thing, and you know, it's just doing its thing here. So there's a lot of frizz going on, and yeah, but I have been watching tons of YouTube videos of other locked sisters, and they have all said that the freeze is going to come, and you know, you just have to just accept it. It's part of the process. Just leave your hair alone, and that's what I've been doing. Now I have sprayed the rose water in my hair. It's not wet, but it's a little damp after spraying the rose water. So I'm just going to take the oil mix and just you know, so I forgot to add that I added essential oils to the oils. So I have like lavender, eucalyptus, because I heard those ones are really good for growth. So I have lavender essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil in my oil mix. But like I said, just let me know if you want me to show you guys how I mix the oils, so I can make like a video for that. So you want to be gentle, so I'm just like squeezing it into my hair so that it just gets in there. So this is pretty much what it looks like. You can see there's a lot of frizz going on, especially in the root area. So yeah, but like I said, I really don't mind. And I just leave my hair alone. I don't bother my hair, like I'm not trying to style it or anything. And then the last thing I do is just take my growth oil here and just put that on my scalp. Make sure that I get a good amount of it in my scalp. Also around my edges. And then you want to like really massage that into your scalp. Make sure that it gets everywhere. So that's pretty much how I have been moisturizing my locks. My scalp doesn't even feel itchy or anything, because this scalp oil really helps to make sure that my scalp is clean and healthy, and you know, just in a good place. So that's about it. Massage. yeah, that's pretty much how I moisturize my locks. And once I'm done, I just like to get it out of the way and just put it in a low bun. Just makes life easier, and that's how I've been rocking it since I had it installed, in this low bun, because I'm trying not to do so much. I'm trying not to I'm trying to keep my hands off it as much as possible, so I just allow it to do its thing. So I'm not really styling it so much, so I just put it in the puff like this. To make sure it's not too tight. And that's it, guys. That's how I moisturize my starter locks. I've had my locks installed for 1 week, like I said earlier, and I've done this, like, this is like the third time this week that I'm moisturizing my locks. I have not washed. I'll probably not wash for like 2-3 weeks, so that when I wash, I can probably get go to the salon and see get my roots retwisted. I don't know, it just depends on how it looks, but for now I'm just taking it one day at a time. I'm not trying to worry too much. And yeah, pretty much keeping my hair moisturized. I mean, I've been natural for 3 years before I locked my hair. I'm still natural for 3 years, and I know very well that, you know, you need to keep your hair moisturized. So getting locks doesn't mean that your hair would stay dry. You still have to keep your hair moisturized. It's just less product, and you know, it's just easier. So the more reason why you should even keep your hair as moisturized as possible. So yeah, that's it. Stay away from products, guys. Stay away from leave-in conditioners and all of that, and just keep it simple with rose water and oils. You can use water, because I've seen quite a few people use water on their locks, but most people use rose water, and I know that rose water is really good for your hair and for your skin. So, you know, I just decided that, you know what, I'll just stick with rose water, and that's what I'm doing with rose water. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and, you know, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. But let me quickly show you guys what my hair looks like at the back. So it looks like this. Can you see? So I put it in this puff. I just put it in this puff, and I just leave it till I'm ready to moisturize my hair again. At night, I simply just wrap it with a scarf, with a satin scarf, and I go to bed. So I'm really just leaving my hair alone. It's not easy, because I used to be someone that likes to style my hair a lot, but, you know, I'm just learning and just enjoying the process, and, you know, just do the same. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.